Ready to dive into the world of crypto but feeling lost on where to start? First, download the Crypto.com app or head to their exchange website and create an account. You will need to provide your email, create a strong password, and agree to their terms. Next up is identity verification. Crypto.com requires this to comply with regulations. Be ready to upload a photo of your governmentist ID like a driver's license or passport and possibly take a selfie. Now for the fun part, depositing funds. You can link your bank account for direct transfers, use a credit or debit card, or even deposit crypto from another wallet. Choose the option that works best for you. Time to buy some crypto. On the app, navigate to the trade section and search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You'll see different order types. Market orders execute instantly at the current price. Limit orders let you set a specific price, and recurring buys automate your crypto investments. Select your preferred method. Enter the amount you want to buy either in crypto units or your local currency and carefully review the details before confirming your order. Crypto.com offers a Visa card that lets you spend your crypto and earn rewards. Explore the different card tiers and benefits within the app. Want to earn passive income on your crypto? Check out Crypto.com Earn, where you can stake your coins and tokens to earn interest. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication to FA using an authenticator app for an extra layer of protection. Remember, cryptocurrency investments are risky. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now you're equipped to confidently buy crypto on Crypto.com.